Brock Steele here. Got a quick, easy fix if your dryer is not getting heat. If you have a Maytag Whirlpool, they're going to all have similar heating elements. Here's my dryer. Simple fix is the thermostat usually gets tripped and basically shuts the heat off. So this is what the back of the dryer looks like. Just took the plate off. It's about 8 or 10 hex screws. Here's your heating element inside there. This is where the thermostat goes. I just took it out. Goes on like this. One screw, pop it off. 2 wires, 2 red wires. One has a white stripe and the other is a solid wire. Just take those 2 wires off. Get a digital multimeter like this. Set it to ohms. And then what we're going to do is just test it. I'm going to see if you've got any continuity there. Sorry about this video, but so what you're going to do is you're going to touch it, and we have nothing reading on the multimeter. So take your fuse and just wrap it about 5 or 6 times hard, flat, like that. And then test it again. And what's going to happen is you test it and you're going to see on the multimeter that you've got continuity there. See? Got a reading there. So it just was the thermostat was tripped. So that banging seems to untrip the thermostat. And all you got to do is just plug everything back in and it should work fine. I am actually going to order another thermostat just to have as a backup in case this continues to go out. But that is your quick, easy, no heat on the dryer fix. Plug the thermostat back in, connect the wires. As you can see inside, the element is back on